Hello, and welcome back to another one of Twinkl Kids TV's How to Draw videos. Today, we're going to be learning how to draw a treasure chest full of gold. As always, when creating an amazing drawing, it's best to use a pencil to make the starting shapes before using a pen to go over those lines and add in more detail. So make sure you have both your pen and your pencil next to you, and anchors away! We're going to start off with just the pencil, marking out a big rectangle in the middle of your page. Inside this rectangle, about a third of the way in, draw another line coming down. Go to the top right-hand corner of your triangle and continue the line upwards before curving it round into a semicircle. It's going to look like a capital letter D. Now, take your pencil back to the corner you last started on and draw a slightly bigger semicircle, with the line ending just before the end of your rectangle, like this. Draw a line starting from the top of the first D shape you made, carrying it on until it's almost at the end of the bigger semicircle. And now draw another line down to meet the curved line beneath it. Can you see it starting to take shape? Next, draw a square in the middle of your rectangle, adding in a keyhole shape on top of it by colouring in a little circle on top of a triangle. Now we have our chest, it's time to add the treasure. Of course, you can decide what type of treasure you might like in your chest, but I'm going to start off by drawing a crown sticking out of the top. I'm also going to draw an expensive pearl necklace by joining together lots of small circles in a loop. To add some texture to your treasure and make it look like there's lots of gold, add some little curves throughout the semicircle. Now we finish marking the first layer with our pencil, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you never miss our how to draw videos. You can also hit the bell button so you know when we upload new videos. Now it's time to pick up your pen so we can start the final layer. Start by tracing over your original rectangle, of course followed by the second line you drew inside. Next you can outline the D shape. You can see it starting to take shape as the lid of your chest. Use your pen to outline the square for the lock. Adding in another line on the left-hand side, you can see this makes it look more 3D. Before you completely colour in the keyhole, copy the shapes of the right-hand side and just colour in the left half. This will make it look way more realistic. Now we can move on to the exciting part, the treasure. Start by outlining your crown. You can add extra details like jewels by simply drawing little circles around the edge. To make sure it looks like your chest is full to the brim with coins, gold and jewellery, outline your big semicircle using lots of little bumpy curved lines. Draw similar smaller lines where you've sketched the little curves throughout the semicircle to show just how many jewels are in your chest. You can even add in some more circles. Now we can add some framing to the wooden chest. You do this by copying the shapes on the front and side, repeating them but slightly smaller inside the original shapes. We can't forget what's holding the chest together, the screws. To add these in, draw lots of little backward curly C's all around the edge of the wooden panels. To make the wood look extra detailed, add in a few horizontal lines throughout your chest. Finally, to show just how bright and beautiful the treasure is, draw some gleaming lines coming out of the top of your chest. Maybe even adding a few crosses across the treasure itself where it's catching the light. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to draw an amazing treasure chest with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Twinkl Kids TV for more amazing videos. See you next time!